What's up and welcome to 17 None. Today I want to show you guys how to make a Sri Lankan style prawn and mango curry. The key characteristics of making a curry like this has to be slightly sweet, a little bit bitter, sour and spicy. And we're going to finish the curry with some freshly marinated grilled shrimp and also some raw underripe mango, which will take the curry to that next level. This curry is super simple and I was really happy with the end result. And before we begin, if you guys like the video, then click on the like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. With all that said, let's make some Sri Lankan curry. Let's begin this recipe by preparing the shrimp. This step is never fun, but let's get straight into it. First, we need to remove the outer shell and remove the legs, keeping the head and tail on. This step is a little bit long, but I like to serve them this way. I was hoping to get larger shrimps for this recipe, but these are the only ones I could find, but these will do just fine for now. When peeled, slice down the back of the shrimp to remove the tract. This is never good to eat and always do this. Now to make a super simple marinade for the shrimp. In a small bowl, add some plain yogurt and some sliced chillies. Also add minced garlic, turmeric and the juice of 1 lime. Mix until the marinade becomes nice and smooth. Really simple, but this marinade works really well. Add the marinade to a bowl, then add the prepared shrimp. You can skip the marinade process, but I find doing so takes the shrimp to that next level when cooked. Coat the shrimp evenly, then leave these guys to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now that the shrimp are ready, we can move on to making the curry. Whilst we wait on the shrimp to marinate, let's start thinking about the curry. Start by finely slicing some garlic cloves, then also mince some ginger. Next, we want to peel 1 red onion and use half of it and slice as fine as possible. This is a good time to work on those knife skills. Now that the vegetables are prepared, we want to move on to making a tamarind stock. Add 5 grams of tamarind pulp to a small bowl and cover with hot water. Mix and dissolve the tamarind in the hot water to form a stock. This will add a good sour element when cooking the curry. And tamarind plays a key role in Sri Lankan cuisine. Now to toast a few spices. In a dry pan, we want to add cinnamon, dried red chillies, onion seed, mustard seed, and cardamon. These spices are going to form the foundation to this curry. Now let's get to cooking. Add the pan of spices onto a high heat and toast until fragrant. Take your time when doing this, as we want all the essential oils to be extracted from the spices. When fragrant, add a drizzle of oil, then add the minced onion, garlic and ginger. Next, to add the ground spices. Add curry powder, chili powder, turmeric and fenugreek. Stir evenly and continue to fry the spices till nice and aromatic. After a few minutes, we can now think about incorporating the liquid. Next, we want to add the tamarind stock made earlier, and also we want to add 400 ml of fresh coconut milk. At this point, we want to cook on a high heat and bring the curry up to a boil. When boiling, turn the heat down to low and simmer for 15 minutes or until reduced by half. After 20 minutes of reducing, it's time to finish the curry. To add sweetness to the curry, we're going to need some palm sugar. Slice around 2 tablespoons worth and we can add this gradually. To add to the sourness of the curry and to add texture, peel and slice 1 underripe mango into a julienne. You can slice the mango however you like. When cut, place some of the slices separately, as we'll use some to add to the curry when finished. Now back to the curry. Add the palm sugar and remove the dried chilies, cardamom and cinnamon. When the curry has reduced, turn the heat down to low, then we can throw in some of the sliced mango and around 10 curry leaves. Continue to simmer on a low heat, and also this will help soften the mango. Now we want to season with a pinch of salt, and we're looking for the curry to be slightly sweet, spicy and sour. All that's left to do now is to fry the shrimp. Add the shrimp to a hot pan and fry on one side for around 90 seconds. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook at all, and all we're looking for really is a nice caramelization from the marinade. Flip the shrimp over and continue to fry for a further 90 seconds on the other side. Take care not to overcook at this point, and we're just looking for a nice caramelization. When cooked, remove the shrimp and we're now ready to bring everything together. Let's start by adding the grilled shrimp first. Then pour over that delicious curry. What I like about serving shrimp this way is that you get tons of umami from the heads. Next, add some slices of raw mango to add some sourness to the curry. A few slices of green chilli. And some coriander to freshen things up. Also, I added some optional garlic infused oil, and finally finish with a squeeze of fresh lime. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Doing a voiceover is a little bit new to me, but it's something I hope to do more of and improve on the future. I literally have no idea what to make next, but let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. If you enjoyed this recipe, show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. With all that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, and as always, peace.